Thank you, Maken Village Youth, for the beautiful war dance. The Liangmai Naga war dance by the Maken Village Youth.
Maken Village Youth ki war dance mayam na miyang tabire. Mayam ki puning ang tang sing jage. Madudi ngasigi mafam sida he na masakthok na ba madi Sanggai festival bu he na mayak sengana bagi damakta ikoina top makal gi bed sama aikoina semjai semlibasi tongan baluk amanani haribasi no magi suraga sen tanjari ba kangbuni consumer affairs ki laborer singna extra effort amani matam sina duna tongan ba aremba matamda manghandana Manipur gi yamna masak nairaba Manipur Sangai festival subu hena promote tawjaning badagi miyamda introduce tawjariba miyamda phanghaliba miyamda khanganjariba the Sanggai festival badge haina mingthon jaba badge makhalama pijari miyamna su minimum contribution da mating pangbiduna contribute tawbiduna seminar badge asigi mapu oibiu haina haibirai ai samakso I'm proud to wear the Sanggai festival seminar badge sida laire mayam ubiram gani masima thamjari mayam da hairiba badge asi mafam simakta phangi lepchari ba ai gi hengmangda stage sigina yelom thangbasida tongana madugi stall mak natragasu yonpham ama thami minimum contribution lupa humudra khak 70 rupees ka pipiraga hariba badge asi lobiduna mamam thetpiu Sanggai festival yengore amada yaurure haiba galonena laborer singasu mateng pangbiu haiba wafam sima thamjari adugi mathangda ngasigi thorom ase ISTV amadi impact TV da live ta yengbi baga loinana aikoina khusem live thadokdana khusem live ta streaming tawdana khudakta hujik laujariba ngangjariba utjariba punamaksi all over the world yengba phangbiri bani masi khusem live na madugi thodang lobidana mayamda relay tawdana yenghanbiri bani masigi damakta su thagatchari yengbiri punamang su masi aikoina tawjariba kharasi yamna mapung phana yengbigini haibagi wakhal dusu thamjari Elizabeth.
Thank you. Our next performance is a Tangkhul ancient folk song by Mr. Thodreiso Kaishing. He is the state awardee for the Rising Star of Manipur 2010. He is the first Tangkhul best vocalist in all Tangkhul artist competition. He has performed at the National Tribal Conference, Jamshedpur. He has performed at the various social, cultural events and state level and national level. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome up on stage Mr. Thodreiso Kaishing for the ancient Tangkhul folk song.
Tangkhul gi nat ki oiba isai de yumpham oiduna kudol tamjagadabani maru oina sakchagadoriba artist asisu tongan mampham na saklubu matamda adugumlaba yamna commendable oiba award na chingba trophy na chingba amadi tongan ba title na chingba phangbiraba adugumlaba sesakpani hauji Tangkhul folk song sima lobisi Tangkhul folk song
by Mr. Thodreiso Kaishing. Please give a loud cheer, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, good evening. I'm Dr. Kishing. My first song is called O Samson. It was taken out from the Bible, who fall in love with other culture, other girls, disobeying his parents, his family, and finally he was punished by God. So in my opinion, we are all here to promote culture, our culture. I think we all love culture. So let me present my first song, O Samson. Chát cơ tê ngơ la li, chát cơ tê ngơ la li rư sư sa cơ. Avuyo, avayo, avuyo, avayo mơ kham ra lo. Iya rư sư sa rơ. Iyar sar de leilali. O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, na yaron ka shivam, na yaron ka shivam. De Leila contrenda, shui shon shona. Na mui love liver, na mui love liver, mga tumrer. O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, na yaron ka shivam, na yaron ka shivam. Palestine nauna, Palestine nauna ka tree tui ha. Varewi ka paning, Varewi ka paning matay sama. O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, na yaron ka shivam, na yaron ka shivam. O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, O Samson, na yaron ka shivam, na yaron ka shivam. Hello. I've been living half of my years. For the first time in my life, I hear this year our respected Chief Minister, Sri Biren Singh, campaigning for love. I think we need love here. If we don't have love, there will not be peace. So, first we need love. When there is love, there will be peace. So my second song is go, O Leishing Roxa. Let's love one another. O Leishing Roxa, O Leishing Roxa, Misalo mimanglo, Misalo mimanglo. cơ thái rơ cơ chẳng bình lý mi sa mi mong lo cơ thái rơ cơ chẳng bình lý mi sa mi mong lo ô lấy xin ở rốc sa ô lấy xin ở rốc sa ilong nào lum lao sa ilong nào ra sương lo isang vừa ra sương lo isang vừa lum lao sa sinh cu ma tâm lum khờ lao sinh cum thay vai sinh cu ma tâm lum khờ lao sinh cum thay vai ô lấy xin ở rốc sa ô lấy xin ở rốc sa lấy xí sơ lấy xí sơ lấy xí sơ lấy xí sơ sinh cu ma tâm hi tha ran lấy xí ngơ rốc sa sinh cu ma tâm hi tha ran lấy xí ngơ rốc sa ô lấy xin ở 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 rốc sa. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Thodrey Showcasing, for that beautiful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the cultural program and the entertainment program of the 5th day of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2017 here at Lamboi Khongnangkhong, organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, powered by Department of Commerce and Industries and managed by Tamna Sanggai. We are live here today at ISTV and Impact TV and on Khutsem, a YouTube channel from Manipur. Our next performer is a very talented young girl named Ashim Wanbe Koireng. She is a versatile singer from the Koireng community. She was a finalist at the Tribal Euphony 2016 and a finalist at the Manipur Idol 2017. She performed with Traffic Jam at Delhi, Sanapati, etc. She has a huge followers on Facebook and on various social media, social networking sites. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome up on stage the very talented Miss Ashim Wanbe Koireng. A loud cheer for Miss Ashim. Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. No doubt, don't speak. You and me, we used to be together, every day together, always. I really feel that I'm losing
my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. It look as though you let go, and if it's real, well, I don't want to know. Don't speak, I know it's gotten breathing, so tell me it's bleeding. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't speak, I know it's sorry. Don't tell me it's sorry. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Memories, inviting, but some are all together fighting, frightening. As we die, both you and I, and the real then see me cry. Don't speak, I know, just let me see it. So please stop explaining. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't speak, I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. It's all ending. I gotta stop pretending who we are. You and me, I can see it's fighting, are we? Don't speak, I know just what you're saying, so please stop explaining. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't speak, I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. I know what you're thinking. Please stop explaining. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. Oh, I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. I know you're good, I know you're good, I know you're real good. Oh, la 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 la, la 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 la. Don't, oh, hush me, darling. Hush me, darling. Hush me, don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Hush me, darling. Hush me, darling. Hush me, don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Thank you. My next song will be CCR, Have You Ever Seen the Rain? From the beginning, please. Come on, everyone! Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know, and it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, day, I know, shining down like water. Come on! I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Forever on it goes. Forever on it goes. I know, been that way for all my time. Through the circle fast and slow. Through the circle fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Ashim Wanbe Koireng, for the beautiful numbers. Up next, we have a young, talented 17-year-old boy rapper. Goes by the name Jae Shang. He started rapping since he was only 12 years old. And at the age of 16, he participated at the rap competition organized by Manfed held at Manipur University. He's currently working on a project called Northeast Manipur Rap Cypher. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jae Shang on stage. Please give a loud cheer for Mr. Jae Shang.
How are you guys doing tonight? Are you guys doing all right? Come on, I can hear you. Are you guys doing all right? Yeah. So I got 3 songs for you today. The first one is an original. It's called I'm Back. Yeah.
Danny.
Check this. Hey.
On
Jay.
on the beat.
Shout out to all the J gang who's watching. Let's go. Nah. Yeah, I'm back in this game. Tell me what I should do. I'm back in the city. Tell me who the damn is you. I'm the realest on the city, man. You know I am cool. Yeah, used to be broke, and I am still broke, but I'm rolling with these niggas you can never could afford. D-A-N-G-K-H-U-L H-A-L, I do it all day like I'm H-A-L. I'm coming in hard, I'm more prepared. Punches smooth like MC Miracom. Don't play with me, man. I drop bomb, I'ma do it till I'm finished, until I get the crown. This is for the love, and I'ma do it till I'm done. Got a verse for anybody who wanna talk about a clip. Going through a lot of shit, you don't wanna hear me trip. Everything I get on it, I never get it slip. I do bounce hard even though I'm still a kid. Hot like McDonald's every time when I spit. Only 16, I'ma kill it with this shit. Man, I am so real, yo. Count freak, I'm the realest on the city, man. I do it like this. Tell me what I should do. Yeah, I'm back in the city, tell me who the damn is you. Come on, I can't hear you guys. I'm back in this game, tell me what I should do. Yeah, check this. T-A-N-G-K-H-U-L. Do it all day, I am P-H-A-L. I'm coming in hard, man, I'm all prepared. T-A-N-G-K-H-U-L. I'm coming in hard, I am P-H-A-L. Yeah. this is just a freestyle I'm dropping to you all. Imagine if I'm dropping a song that makes you are so gone. Don't step up to me saying you're the best, no you are wrong. See when it comes to rap I'm like the Jerry, you're the Tom. Man, I'm back in this game, tell me what I should do. Yeah, I'm back in the city, tell me who the damn is you. I'm back in this game, tell me what I should do. Yeah, I'm back in the city, tell me who the damn is you. Really son of city man, you know I am cool. I'm cool. Used to be broke, and I am still broke. But I'm rolling with these stickers you can never could afford. Rap, rap. Check this. Jay. Thank you. The next song is called, the next one is sung by a Logic, it's called Begging. Can you please play with us first? From the first. Yeah. Check it. Yeah, 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 I'ma get it right now. Whenever will I give up? Homie, this is food for thought, you better feel it. I'm coming in strong, but this song ain't very long, so I gotta make you understand before the beat is gone. Homie, you are not alone. We are in the zone, we are in the matrix, pulling that fake shit. Make you wanna grab the gate and go ape shit. Living in a world of lies, I can't take it. It's someone that saved me, someone that hung me. Need the whole world, but nobody will love me. Had to learn from this, the people wanna bug me. Had to learn from this, the people wanna bug me. I said I can't take it, I know I'm gonna make it. I know I'm not normal, but I gotta fake it. I swear I'm not cocky, I am just confident that when I step on the stage I can dominate, and now that I'm begging. Yeah. Put your loving hand out, baby. Yeah. Feeling like I'm in a fight every single time I write, cause I gotta make sure they help me right. Told me that I couldn't do it, so I know because of my I gotta kill every single thing. So when they wait to hear it, they can feel what's in my soul. Okay, yeah homie, I gotta blow, but first I gotta know who I is. So I'm making for a connection on the mission just to do it big. Cause I'm new to this, I'm true to this, thinking I'ma stand out and roll out. Homie, there's J-Sound. Now I had to play no games, I had to stay and make a change in major ways. So I remain up in the studio for days and days, spitting out these razor blades. Don't wanna place no blame, but without you I can't get to where I'm heading. So everybody, I'm begging. Make some noise. I can't hear you guys. Yeah. Check this. I said this is my pet, don't mess with me. I didn't choose this life, it was destiny. God tested me to find the best of me, so I'm gonna make it even without a. Cause the test score don't mean shit to me. When you said that I would feel it, it didn't get to me. Now I'm begging, public, makes this please. Cause I'm way too proud to get down on my knees. But I'm begging, put me on the level. Them Illuminati, that's word to the devil. Cause I'm not about that, I just wanna love, I just wanna grow, I just wanna learn the best and the verbs to write this music. I'm so late that I just might lose it. Don't ever confuse it, it's so worth it. I just wanna help it, but not hurt it. And as for my style, I don't know how to word it. Why do you even have to categorize me? Let me let them hate, let them all despise me. Cause I'm gonna take it, fill it up and make it something that the whole world cannot imagine. Let alone bear my mama another planet. I swear I'm not magic, listen to me damn it. My future is in your head and so I'm begging. Yeah. Put your loving hand out, baby. Check this. Thank you. And this one is the final one. It's from Marshmello, Keep It Mellow. Everybody know this song, right? So let's jump. Are you with me? All right. Yeah. Hey. 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 Check this. Hey. How we let go myself, boom, the world's gotta know. It's so nice to memory, I gotta know. From the past, I gotta flow. Put the ashes, I gotta blow. It's gon' get cold, it's about to snow. You might get down a little bit, go slow. I will get up and stand, never go low. Got confidence, and it's not over. My girl love me, yeah, I'm sober. When around this life, I'm chasing. Every mood, every thought is changing. The world I knew when I was a kid never be the same people that I meet. I'm trying my best, I can hold this grip, I'm begging you. Help me, please. Ay, haters they go, ay, backstage will go more, ay, but I'm getting the dough. Look at this girl, they learning my song, ay, we keeping it real though. Now everybody jump on 3. 1, 2, 3, go! I keep it mellow, where they, I keep it mellow. I keep it mellow. I keep it mellow, where they, I keep it mellow, man, I keep it mellow. Yeah. Keep it mellow, I keep it mellow, every day I keep it mellow. Yeah. I am just a kid trying to get my dreams from reality. Too much people unsupportive, so I put the fate on me. I remember you telling me that this won't work for me. Look at me, now you wanna chill with me? This shit is dedicated to all the optimists that never thought I'd be coming out this real specific. Yeah, and I'm relevant. Realest in the city, I'm killing them. They be hating on me, so all I do is give a F to them. Lot of things that hype the hell on my mind. Working like F can play though. Formulate a new path so I can take hip-hop to another level. Say something I don't hear it though. Pushing the dreams but ain't near it though. I'm killing competition, here we go. Killing competition, here we go. Are you ready for the last time, everybody? I can't hear you. Yeah, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah, I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I keep it mellow. I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow, man. I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow, man. I keep it mellow. Thank you guys. You guys have been amazing.
Thank you. Thagachari. Fajar bache home matang khudol tambirami. Matang asi me am the khudol tam jagadori basi yam the top pa. Tongan mama how ma pijagadori ba adugum presentation ni. Isay no mai gi satharak pa paring dagi khajik tang thaidok charaga ikhoina body building show na khudol tam jagani. Hariba bodybuilding show se ekoi hujik khodol tamjana ba sem saba hogjare loinana safa ba ahumna mafam sira tholaktuna makhoi ge tongan ba pose sing uchagadori bani yamna hona ba kan ba sahai daba thagai daba punamak tagi thaptoktuna masabu fana liduna thamduna ngasidi afaba bodybuilder ama oire Makoina, Makoi Hona Zamanduna Maramoyang City Mayang, the Makoi performance, Uchagadori. Performance Sigi, Makataba, Akupa Pogdum Madudi, Ozadeven, Sangar Body Wilder Dagi, Lobby and Ozadeven. Thank you, Piroxi.
Thank you.
Referee Oibiravani, IBPFK was another.
Thank you, Tezkesor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, Masigi. Asigumba bodybuilding show asi 2017 gi October gi tang 13 gi na 15 phauba Mumbai Exhibition Center haidna Mumbai da leiba mafam maduda Mr. Olympia 2017 Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation organized over adugumba world class da khwai de hena top most oiba adu ma body building competition ni hariba competition adu da saruk yaroba body builders ahum khoi mathang mathang oina mayam punam ki mamang da khoi thogol tok jage ahan bada awaz khan mahagasi minuthong hatta gola batita gini mahagasina yan hanna body building show si khona utchegani mahaki masagi chahi si kunga humdoi sore adugo mahaki education and qualification na 10+2 ni mahasi 100 kg plus ta adumba competition adu saruk yaroba awaz khan akoina international ke thakta chana pathap oina akoina round ahum khak akoina thamjai ahan ba round da 1 minute freestyle post tok degani Mr. Awaz Khan mahakasi masagi chahi kunga humdoi soraba hoji Indian Navy re service toba adumba Mr. Awaz Khan mahaki mapagi maming MD Jalil mamagi maming na Bareda hojik mayam punong ki mafam da ahan ba round da ekhoi ki music section da lebigada ba ambagi I Bipin Singh. He is one of the Vice President of Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation and one of the National Judge of IBBF Music Section da lebina bahan all request tok dari music bodybuilder come on sir. Thank you music. Next, Maradona Khetri Mayum. Maradona Khetri Mayum Masibo. Mahaki Masagi body weight category 80 kg. No Mahaka Sisu Handak Mr. Olympia 2017 Mumbai gi Bombay Exhibition Center da Saruk Yarwa Matamda Mahagasi 6th place Tagiba Maradona Khetri Mayum Maki Masagi Sahi Kungamari Sure Aduga education and qualification na graduate ni Hariba Maradona Khetri Mayumasi Mahasi Kaksing Dagini Maradona Khetri Mayum Mahakasisu international gi thakta chana pathap oina khoina competition kaya da yan han bada ahan ba round da music ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 1 minute freestyle pose ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ special show ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯅ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯜꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯕꯤꯄꯤꯟ ꯁꯤꯡ national judge music bodybuilder music start.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car, raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Yeah, no matter what you say. Marry that girl. And we'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude?
Thank you music, thank you. Please go back and join the line. Mathangi aroi basidi handak Manipur Masada gold medal lorok laba 80 kg below the Moirang Them Ruby Mahakasina 2017 gi Mr. Olympiada Mahaki bodyweight category da gold medal phanga aba Moirang Them Ruby Mahakasi Friday gini Mahakasi su bodybuilders anina tawgibagum 60-second freestyle poses tawigani masi ahanba round haina kawi music Ruby music start. Big hand, please. Please, big hand. Huzik ani super round si khoi tok jike. Respected bodybuilders, please come forward. Parigita sakapiro. Hairiba ahum masi magi body weight category amta manate. Hairiba respected bodybuilders ahum masina. Manipur lengak na. Manipur dak fundamentally ba khoi jati kang pulama si united oina khoi lainab gidamakta encouragement pi bani. Assume bodybuilding show si asi khoi na kari hainai. Dirt brings disease or sickness. People with dirty habits are more likely to catch any disease than those with clean habits. Dirty habits asina haksang puno asimang hali clean habits ta hainaba mi singshudagi dirty habits ta hainaba asina haksang si manghali haibani. Maramaduna dirty habits asidagi laptho ereraga afaba chinjak tamak charaga changaina haksang sajan tawduna haksang da mangningai songningai oina bosak punama laptho ereraga asiumba haksang phabagi health is well haibasi ekoina lairik laisuda irambado ngasidi asigumba sangai festival Manipur lengak na puthoiba festival asida health is well haibasi ekoina puthok chabani moi asi off season ina masagi kayat singchigi masalasi hanaga manadre khajitang noi thongna ugani adubu kayat sing asigi magi body weight category se masal manaroi adu hojik ani suba round da ekoina anatomical assessment Koktigi Kong Power Pazabasi Mutang Yang Minasi Bodybuilders Pazana Pipam Sumna Mutang Lepio International get talked about anatomical assessment. Start please. Yang Bio About turn Tungi Tungyani Yang Minasi Yang Bio Hariba Home Siamta Manadabani Start please. Tungi Tungyan Yang Bio. Yang Bio Asumana Koi Punamasi Haksang as Sembia have Sequina Masi Uchabani. Again about turn. Amohan among the little Pio. International get talked about a coin of 7 compulsory poses and a kangai. Masi Punamasi, Masi Quai, ladies and gentlemen, Quai Puno came from the Akoi. Respected bodybuilders, you listen carefully my announcement. Every pose should be done as per my announcement. Remember, please, 7 compulsory poses. Pose number 1, front, double bicep. Come on, flex. Please turn to all the audience. Maybe you. Please. Relax. Pose number 2. Front. Latissimus dorsi. Come on. Straight. Thank you. Relax, please. Pose number 3. Side chest and cup. Come on, chest. Live view. Thank you. From back. Back double bicep. Come on, start. Yang dia amat mana tu bani? Magi leriba body weight category ki thola iba muscle singa sem tu mana tu bani? Relax. Pose number 6. Back leg straight. Come on. Straight. Relax. Relax. Pose number 7. Abdomen with thighs. Asidani, mayam puna magna, haksangi puk asi chawkhat laga, chawtho eraga ayukta, walking chafada nom nasali badu, asi yang view. Same aga thokpa. Puk asi amsa chawhandre, masi puna masi, haksang sajen chang naina sanaraga, apapa chijak charaga samaina oirei. Relax. Last pose. Most muscular pose. Come on, start. Thank you. Asigumba bodybuilding gi ngasi show si khoi lengak na asuma Manipur da leriba praja section punamakta khangan nanabagi namakta ekhoina ngasi gi lengak na yamna encouragement piba khoi gi encouragement piba lengak singi khoi honorable minister Thongam Biswajit Singh kindly come on the stage sida Pani I sida am khaktang kai loktok charongge akhoi gi Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation gi akhoi gi team da bodybuilding is character building of the individual which contributes to the nation building as a whole. Manamaduna bodybuilding is character building, bodybuilding is nation building. Bodybuilding asina Manipur ki samaj da Bharat ki samaj da yamna united oiba aduba nation ma semna hona bada bodybuilders kangbu singsina masa masa ki pithore ba isona pithore ba sabana sirgi amuk masa na muk semjaraga asigumba nation building ama oina bhona bada character building ama oina bhona bada yamna hona ba changi maramaduna ngasigi lengangna sinbiriba Sanggai festival asida lakpiriba tongan ba district punamakti ladies and gentlemen khwai punamakna asigumba bodybuilding show si ugraba matungda phatraba mayai ka ba nisa punamasi thado ererga nungsiba atma bu kanbiu haidna All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association amasung respected bodybuilders ki maikai dige ehakna khwai punam ki mafamda ladies and gentlemen khwai punam ki mafamda ikok nonna khoi bodybuilder ahunga ngasigi tenbir ba khwai punam ko bhakti kachari. Thank you. Khoi photo session namata kaunana bagina makta khoi honorable minister works TIS Biswajit Singh khoi bodybuilding bo asoba thogdang lobi dana asoba inot happy ba sabo stage jong ka lengkhat pirakna ba hangna nolokna bodybuilders All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association mai kai dige nolokna aina request on ko khachari TIS Biswajit Singh aduga Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation ki one of the Vice President IB Pin Singh, please come on the stage. Ang pajan ang niti dyan amuk tanam biyo photo session do. Thank you. Koi combine pose amuk kita miyam na uningi hai. Siya miyam ki kanoni si swaida sanction biro combine pose. Pose mari khaktane pose mari khak sare le biyo. Left you side down. Combine pose. Front double bicep. Yes, music. Final pose down. Final pose down. Bodybuilders. Baba punamakta lay dina one view. Final pose down. Encourage PPU. Respected audience, please big hand. Thank you, bodybuilder. Thank you. Thank you, bodybuilder. Tenbiriba khwai punamaki mapamda. Bona fide respected bodybuilders ahunga ai isamakka ekhoi nga si hak short tawjagi basida ekhoi gi dress ti koi competition punamakta siumba dress oina set panina ngasi tenbiriba ladies and gentlemen khwai punamaki mapamda ବ୍ୟବହାର ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯇꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯖꯦꯟꯇꯜꯃꯦꯟ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯅꯣꯟꯅ ꯚꯛꯇꯤ ꯒꯖꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯦꯟ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯋꯥꯏꯁ ꯕꯤꯁꯣꯖꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯝꯅꯥ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯈꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯝꯂꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯝꯅꯥ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯥꯔꯀꯤꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯟꯕꯤꯔ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯔꯟꯕꯤꯔ ꯊꯧꯅꯥꯅ ꯆꯝꯂꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯔ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯦꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯑ ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯎꯁ ꯇꯝꯅꯥ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯃꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯈꯥꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯔꯟꯕꯤꯔ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
Please give a round of applause for our youth displaying beautiful body, promoting healthy lifestyle.
Honorable Minister, amtanga lengkat pirakpa yagadra koi kenosi punna photo session nama give bibi besigi hai pasi waru biate koi na hana mamang na tawga du dai koi na maning dagi chennering ai na hong tamni waru biate amtang lengkat pirakti sir.
Sir na pibiu sila pajani.
Punna ahumda bibire.
A big applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Pula punjan biro.
And a louder cheer.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Thank you, Honorable Minister Shri Thongam Bishwajit, for your kind presence. And thank you, Sir N. Nimai Singh, National Judge, IBPF, and team for the beautiful body show. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now take a look at our next performers. Kennedy and Band, playing the folk fusion genre, was founded in 2016, and their main objective is to promote the folk fusion style of Manipur. They have performed at the Riverbank Festival and many more. Their bank members include Mr. Kennedy Kuman with the male voice, Mr. Boy Soraisem and Mr. Noren Aribam with the guitar, and Mr. Sarkar with the kayon, and lastly but not the least, Mr. Nimai Laishram as the bass.
Now we will be having two more bands. They are River Tate and Red Devil. Am I right, Elizabeth?
Exactly, sir.
Okay, now we are having the first band of tonight's cultural show. That is Kennedy and Band.
Please give a huge cheer for Kennedy Band.
Check. Good evening, everyone.
Sumyam khalakpa, I go in a karim town and daba. Pajum le khatar, sutai manakik, le sulai mumayam, sumyam khalakpa, lai mumayam, sumyam khalakpa. Lekai Sidaliva Nichil Inong Marum Pong Mayom Punama. Thank you. Tin biru ma puno po. Taram nok sa kini kumana. Ani suwi sa iman ko tok sarge. Siregalo ibu pun sini hinglingai mikuk parasida nungsi sana hing nopsi ada mesej tu. Mathangi sai sidi arki mona sarang apa gi ibi sai ni. मैं खुद तक जरा के mi amana adung mati gwara matam amada magi pindu kholao du sei sei mayik sengna mi amana adung mati waba du koi arke muna na ire tapiri Ahawadi chaning mi supade lai suude mikum naru kiring ai ahing sida angang kapli Di sapangana na bise wara di mar play roi tai bang se khangna khangan birel ma pup se lu ko pudal len thadar gle hing sida hayo hayu ra di na ra koi ning kragani tai bang se Ahawadi chaning mi supate lai sulaite tin mu lai mu kiring ai ahing sida tangang kapli Thank you. Ahing sa pagkiri kasi kachil lai munati lamta thang janati thawai lo manu mai pai bidi kes ahinga mummi hai ek kanam to udre hai et thawai pan mai ham su ma de changkre ahinga mummi hai ek kanam to udre hai et thawai pan mai ham su ma de changkre sida ai di kisil lakleda kachil hai mulam ta thang jen nati ki di se et thawai lâu nông mây bay và tu nè kia đi xe cả na nôm tư thông sẽ hàng hồ ai cái thawai cần hồ cả na nôm tư thông sẽ hàng hồ ơi nhà mami hay cả na tư udre hay thawai pa na mày ham su mà cô đã chẳng khe ơi nhà mami hay cả na tư udre hay thawai pa na mày ham su mà cô đã chẳng khe nai tom mi thân ta chắc tàu đi vào lâm việt sĩ đi đi với nước thali xích lơ vật tang lục sĩ ta nai tom mi thân ta chắc tàu đi vào lâm việt sĩ đi đi với nước thali nong mây bắc khôn đất tai sung lê liệp ta cà phê mây mà khô mà tay bongi mà khô su ta đó lê ai xe mà ta đó cả nôm tư thông sẽ hàng ai cái thâu ai cần hồ ơi nhà mami hay cả nôm tư udre hay thâu ai pa nó mấy hôm su mà khô chẳng ơi nhà mami hay còn ông tự udre hay thâu pa nó mấy hôm su mà cô đã chẳng khe Thank you. Thank you. Mathangdasu akhoi Sanggai Festival asida saruk yawa phangjabuga phamunbagi damakta akhoi taranbi amasung Sanggai Festival asibu sambiri organizer myambu hanna thangat phongdausari mathangdasu Sanggai Festival akhoi siri hena sound amasung phana phajana sinmangam bo ibirasanu amasung akhoi masen amatang sinasi amatoina punleminasi singni tamni amatani adugi hajaram solution jarage. Thank you.
Thank you, Kennedy and band, for the beautiful folk music. We wish you and your team the very best for your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the entertainment programs of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2017 here at Lamboi Khongnangkhong. Organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, powered by the Department of Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, and managed by Tamna Sanggai. The Manipur Sangai Festival is the biggest state festival celebrated from the 21st to the 30th of November every year. This festival is an eminent way of spreading peace, harmony, and unity among the people of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat again, diversity is beautiful and diversity is our strength. Yabining bro zates.
Yamya janingi. Madugi masaktuni mafam sida ulibasu stage saksida numin mangani shujilaklaba festival gi cultural evening sida tongan ba Manipur gi mafam dagi lakpa tongan ba jati gi tongan ma londa sakpai seising adubu thamoi dadi phaunaba lol du khangdragasu makoi gi thamoi da fauribi thilamni makoi na piribi unity gi message edu yobu maramna leptre hengalakne Elizabeth ngasi di lambi si chafam naitre honorable minister bhawba gari changba yadabagi pau tajai asumna aikoi yamna kanna honadana mayam sisu entertain taunanaba lakpa khudingmak pusu aikoina thogal phangjaba honaba hayengdi Sunday ni Elizabeth hayengna soidana maki hengani ngasi jitegi adu pakraba lampak pakraba stage amadi chawkraba trade center gi manung simina pokhai ga makai challi nilli masimak Sangai festival gi mai pakpari adubu tangkai khakta ngai ri Elizabeth atop 5 days amka le another 5 days madu so amuk hena mi lakani habiga sa tawi mayam nungai gani soidna maki nungai abdu lobiu loinana nungai ba marak asida hayeng tang kun taruk sangai festival gi taruk di chanba numit sida mafam sida pangthok jagadori ba thoram sing amuk tang ningsing jage marak tatna pungani dagina ahum phawba cultural program sing nat ki ba thoram sing jagoi sei laigani adugi mathangda pung manga dagina taret phawbana sangai stars night film stars sing laigani hayengi kardang panjarabada saisak pi amadi actress Susmita loinana actor Shomasu saruk yabigani hayeng si stars night ta mathangda maring war dance lady madugi mathangda solo performance ama lei madugi mathangda fashion show tungan ba nat ke ba visual sing setuna fajaraba iramda Manipur ba saktak na bagya no tanja amuk logjabani fashion show ma leigani madugi mathangda Manipuri matamisai isai yaudna ikoi Manipur da leiba miyam de hingmangamde ikoi chatlabasui sei potharabasui sei warabasui sei isai ngaktani hayengi matamisai si thogol fangadoriba saisak singa sidi Linda Chitra Eze Meshnam Arbin amadi Ranbir Thongnani hayeng soidna maki masigi mahau sisu lobiu aduga orchestral group na Shinthani Elizabeth masisu hayeng soidna maki nungai gani mi yamne hena tingani adu boy koi adumak ngamnana ba amade mayambu koi ningthi na mapung phan entertain to ngam no khona jagani habsim tamjage.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next performers is the Reverted Band. I'm sure you have heard of the name Reverted Band. They were formed in the year 2011 and is based on alternative blues, playing their original numbers. Tonight they will be playing 4 of their own original numbers composed and lyricist by them. The Reverted Band faced a gap of 2 years, and tonight they are making their comeback in a mega way. May I request Mr. Kasper of the band to come forward to present the journey of Reverted Band in a few lines. Mr. Kasper is the vocal and the rhythm of the band. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Kasper on stage.
Kasper soidna maki kakalak lagani adubu matam ngahak leijari ngai sida masigi muyam khudol tam jagadori ba Reverted hariba band ase sahi ani muk lepure Elizabeth if I am not mistaken nang napan khibada sahi ani lep lor matungda ngasi ase makoi ihan hana phong hai tare phong bani ado mamuk sahi ani matungda anoba mahau galoina na thorakadore bani hado madu koi amuka hanna introduce to biraga mic khushina bigan.
Mr. Kasper is the vocal and rhythm of the Reverted Band, and he will be presenting a short journey of the band in a matter of few lines. Mr. Kasper. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a loud cheer for Reverted Band and Mr. Kasper.
Hello, Sheikh. Good evening, everyone. We are Reverted. It's been a long year, so we're gonna play our original song. So enjoy it, guys. This song is called "It's Been a Long." It's an original number. We're gonna perform only original numbers. Sorry for that, guys. So here we go.
Each other. It's been a long gap between us. Can't part each other. I'm trying my best to forget, but I'm trying my best to forget. And everything between us. Still remain a warm memory my head, still whisper to my head. But now you're gone for your better life. Forget, I still remember best to forget, and every tear you cheated. Thank you. So, how are you feeling today? So. We like to introduce ourselves at first. And on the drum, Romy Khongnangkhong, please. And on the guitar, Rohit. And on the bass, Boom. And me, myself, Casper. So, we're gonna present our second song. It's our alternate number. A little bit slow, but enjoy it, guys. So, this song is called Sitting By Alone. All of mine, but taking out of bed, sitting by alone, and I wonder that you be alone. A silence all of mine, taking out of bed, sitting by alone, and I wonder that you be alone. A silence all of mine. Out of bed, and all the things that I've been wrong, so now, and here's the time to change it. Sitting by alone, and I wonder that you're going back. The silence all of mine, whispering through my head. Sitting by alone, and I wonder that you come back. The silence all of mine, whispering through my head. And all the things that and here's the time to change it. Yeah. So, so we're gonna perform our third song. It's called Life and Joy Happiness. And this song is depend to our life. So I personally wrote this song, depend on me. So this song is dedicated to who are facing their life with personal problem. So this song is called Life and Joy of Happiness. Enjoy. So, so 1, 2, 3, go. Put your hands in the sky. I've been living home to find the truth. I've been living home to find joy of happiness. I've been troubled place to place to find joy of life. I've been till many strangers, medical. I see people struggling for their life. I see people struggling for their hunger. So I'm writing this song for their life. I've been to many strangers. I believe to find a joy of life. I've been till many strangers. Tell me, come back Thank you and good night, everyone. It's our good night.
Thank you, Reverted Band, for the amazing performance. Ladies and gentlemen, are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? Thank you. We need more of that. Well, the night is still young, and we have one more band performing. They are all ready to set the stage on fire. The next band who will be performing is the Red Devils. They are one of the legendary rock bands from Imphal, Manipur, performing for more than 2 decades now. They have performed in many parts of India and have achieved some outstanding recognition in both individual and group category. The band lineup are Hector Chongtham, vocal, Tukun Chongtham, vocal, Mantos Thokchom, guitar, lead, Milan Konsam, bass guitar, Birjit, keyboard, and Bobby Namaryakpam, drums. Ladies and gentlemen, the band is getting ready. They will be performing very shortly, and I hope you're enjoying. Are you enjoying? Thank you.
Yam nungai je, thenga ga, nungai basu hengalai, aduga miyam gi response so adugi matik nungai je, masi till the end adum legani, ngasi gi loi bagi nataba, Sangai Festival loi ba tang kuntra phauba November gi madu phauba leibigani hai bagi wakal du tamjari, maruina ngasi gi Red Devil hai ba Red Devil sai ba band asi rock band asi Manipur dang asi dagi sei kun gi mamang da kun kharabu hele thorak khibani yamna hek tholapaga makhoi gi oiba performance ta makhoi gi number sing da miyamna pambi khi sinjari ba cultural extravaganza evening asi gi maroi ba masak amadi ukrul da gi rock band kaya laktuna miyam gi mamang da performance bibi khi hena nungai jari badi lamdam singi lingua franca oiriba maitai lon gi sei su makoina adugi matik fajana performance bi ngarang makta nahan makta da thangmai show na chingba adumak ma ke solo performance ngasi su red devils na makoi gi number singi marakta yamna maru oina ani khak lokhatli mayamna dum khangbi namgani makoi gi number se panba matamda punshin ba yamna meaningful oiba isai mayek ni Taujari ba Sanggai Festival sisu unity gi damaktani punna hingminnabagi wakhalol dani isai mayak sisu punsin ba haina mingtholi ahubu mayak khar panjarabada utlasi apun mathauna ngalhalasi malem sin mathungna ngalan gadori besina kari ima Manipur kanana ngalan gadori ba machaw ba khoina masini isai sigi maru ba thim adugi mathangda mayamna khangbigani red devil saina panbada Pretty women, I say, the Makangbin, I'm going to make best numbers in America, Madusukudol Tambigani. Aujek, Shem Saba, Satari, Maramaduna, Elizabeth, Hayengueba, Toram Singh, I fed highlight Toragati, Yamne and Nungaizagan in a cul.
The lineup for tomorrow's program. From 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. we have cultural programs. We have the Stars Night from 5 to 7. At the indoor house, Trade and Commerce Center. And then we have the Maring War Dance at this stage from 7 p.m. Followed by a solo artist performance and a fashion show. After that, we have the Manipuri Matam Ishai brought to you by Sindha. The artists who will be performing tomorrow are Mr. Ranbir Thauna, Mr. Arvind, Mr. A.J. Maishnav, Miss Chitra, and Miss Linda. The lineup for tomorrow's program is such an exciting and entertaining one, and I hope that we will be joined by every one of you. I request all of you to come join us tomorrow again and make this program a successful one. Tonight, we are joined by the Honorable Minister, Sri Thongam Bishwajit Singh, who has been here from the beginning, today, yesterday, and before that. I thank you, sir, on behalf of the organizing team, for your presence. This shows a lot of encouragement on our part. And tonight's show is presented live on ISTV and Impact TV and on Kuchim, which is a new YouTube channel from Manipur.
I think the band is almost ready for the show. So now, presenting you the next band, Red Devils!
A loud cheer for Red Devils!
Hello, Sri.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
This is Song of the Century. Would you like to sing with me? This is Hotel California. Thank you very much. On the doctors and highway, going in my ear. One smile of quality touch, rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, it's so shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. Just stood at the doorway, I heard a mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. This lit up a candle and she showed me the way. Then we pushed this down the corridor. I told the hand and say, yeah, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely face. Any room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind is different and twisted. She got a mixture dispense. She got a lot of pretty boys. The sick are friends. All the dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. Alright, so I called the captain. Please bring me my wine. And she said, we haven't had the spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Waking up in the middle of the night. So she had to say, yeah, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely face. Living in a factory Hotel California. What a nice surprise. What a nice surprise. Bring you early right. Mirrors on the ceiling. She been something all night. And she said, we are all just prisoners here of a long divide. You're not your chamber. We got to for the beach. Stop it with the stealing nights, but the ducks can't be killed. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find a place to back to the place I was before. Relax, said the nightmare, we're pretty to receive. You can get on the time of life, but you can never live.
Are you having a good time, Prince? Thank you.
You see, like after 2.5 decades, luckily I found one of my best friends, Mr. Bob over here. We gathered together to perform over here. Give a big hand for him, Mr. Bobby. And Red Devils, cheers. Thank you. Every single day I think of the time when you were still mine and I'm blue. Got to get away, get you out of my mind. I'm kind of in time and I'm blue. Black in my shirt and you free, falling like a stone. I'm down on the ground, I'm tired of being bound, and you free. Thank you. alright. To max records with mobile, we didn't have much time. A friend, shower, and a mother were all the biggest players around. But some stupid with a flare gun burned the place to the ground. Come on! Smoke on the water, a fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. Burn down the gambling house. I wouldn't know for sure. A foggy clouds is rolling in now, holding Kachako. When it's over, we gotta find another place. The sweet sound is running out, seems to lose the race. Come on! Smoke on the water, fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. We in a bloody grinding hot tell you. It was empty, cold and beer. Rolling trucks don't stand to outside. When you real light, when you real light, if you want bitch, we make the place to sway. Ha! No matter what, we'll get out of ditch. I know you never forget. Smoke on the water, a fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. Thank you. I would like to call upon one of my beloved sister, Sisi Tukun, Songtam. Thank you. Give a big hand for her.
us some music? First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for giving us a very good opportunity to perform on this platform. And I would like to present one old number of mine. I hope. Please cooperate. Come on.
Trying to get up this great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly what I knew I should, that the world was made up of this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I stepped outside, and I take a deep breath and I get real high, and I straight from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I tried. Oh my God, do I try? I tried all the time in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day for a revolution. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I am feeling a little peculiar. And so I went in the morning and I stepped outside, and I take a deep breath and I get real high, and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Come on.
Can I see your hands? Okay, I will perform one more songs. Ready? Lovely people out there, come on! The last one will be a Manipuri metal, Punsimba.
Út lơ si pun batau na nga lơ si malem si chung mi kum anu tari ngai ri ba bui na.
잡음 깜떠노 행복이 마우 양는노 행리 버스데이 배드 배드
Sangai Festival bunung sibiduna amadi ngasigi evening ki entertainment program bunung sibiduna thinglaba matam phawda lingchin biriba ikoi dignitaries amadi ikoi ki praja ikoi ki mayam punamang bunung pang khudimuk thagat phongdok chari. So this last 1-2 song will be our last song for tonight. I hope you enjoy this song. Where were you when I was hurt and I was helpless? 'Cause the thing you say, think you do surround me, and where were you when I was hurt and I was helpless? 'Cause the things you say, things you do surround me, while you were hanging yourself and someone else was dying to believe what you heard. I'm staring straight into the sun.
irresistible pastime. I took a heavenly ride through the silence. I knew the way that it has begun. I'm headed straight into the shining sun. I took a heavenly ride through a silence. I knew the waiting has begun. I'm headed straight into the shining sun. And this song, when I was learning my first guitar, I used to sing, I used to learn this song. From this song, I started to play guitar. So this song, everybody knows, and I hope we'll sing together this song. It's a very old song. I got my first full 6-string, bought it at a 5-pound dime. Paid to my fingers blade, was a summer of '69. Me and some guys from school got the band, we tried real hard. See me quit until this got married. Sitting no, I never get by. Standing on my spell. He told me I never had a choice. Yeah, I was wanna be there. Those days are the best days of my life. And using complaining, man, we got us up to do. Sometimes we got to roll it, standing on lowest bird. You told me the wax forever, and in have my head. Yeah, I was wanna be there. Those days are the best days of my life. Whoa, whoa. Back in the summer of '69. Whoa, whoa. We were killing time, we were young and free. I needed to my head. I got nothing to last forever.
Thank you and good night, everybody.
Thank you, Red Devils. Thank you, Red Devils, for showcasing the perfection of 20 magnificent years. Indeed, this band is legendary. We look forward to many more wonderful performances, and we wish them the very best. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to the end of today's program. The Manipur Sangai Festival here at the Trade and Commerce Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong, organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, powered by the Department of Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, and managed by Tamna Sanggai. Catch us again tomorrow for another series of exciting programs. Azates.
Yes, Elizabeth. Pelhau da bahai basina apen badu phangnana bagi lambi yat pani hai basima thamjage ngasi gi makhak le ho baduni hayeng amuk nungai ga dorisi hayeng gi duna hangchit kini thamjari ba program sing cultural program pungani dagina ahum phauba Sangai Stars Night pung manga dagina teret phauba Maring War Dance solo artist performance fashion parade yam nungai gani hayeng de yamna different nahange ulak paga manadaba mawongda aikoina kitang haijage aduga yam nungai do male fashion parade si chalingai da artist amana ma ki best number singi marakte ama saklaga isai dugi tanthada nungai raba fajarba fijol da miyam gi mithan gani soidana maki lakpiyo Manipuri matham isai amu leijari maduda maroi ba saisakpa saisakpi singde Linda Chitra Eze Maishnam Arbinam Niranbir Thaunani orchestral group na Sinthani soidana maki heng lakpiyo ngasi gidi loi ba haibadu lerambana kainana ba yathangni ba ki tanja su lagle Elizabeth hayeng amuk unana ba ki ngasi gi kainana ba yathangsi maram maduna commercial industries ki maikai degi Tamna Sanggai ki maikai degi amade tourism department ki maikai degi amni Manipur sarkar ki maikai degi Manipur lenga ki maikai degi mayam punamakta mangani chanba numisi ki dinga sigi numidang asi losin ki numidang duni hayeng gi damaktani. So thank you everybody and good night.
Thank you everyone and good night.